The ban by PTA did not work and the youth unlocked PUBG game through VPN and started playing the game with foreign servers. According to the details, a few days ago Pakistan Telecommunication Authority banned the PUBG game. It was said in this regard that the game is affecting young people and children while their physical and mental health is also being adversely affected. Thousands of young people were disappointed with the closure of the PUBG game, but young people have found various ways to play this online game without any difficulty, one of which is by downloading a VPN from the Play Store. It's about playing the game. When a young man who was playing this game was asked how he was playing this game despite the PTA banning him, he said that we can easily download VPN from Play Store. PUBG games. There are many types of VPNs in the Play Store, which can be downloaded and played through a proxy. However, it should be noted that the use of VPN is not completely legal. There is no specific law in this regard, but in the light of other laws, it can be considered a crime. On the other hand, the management of video game PUBG has barred Pakistani players from participating in the international league. In this regard, game management has said that as long as the game is banned in Pakistan, we cannot include the Pakistani team. He has stopped the Pakistan team from participating in today's match. It has been reported that the Pakistan team was to take part in the competition at 5 p.m. last evening. Remember, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.